Ever pondered why some debates leave a lasting impression, while others are easy to forget? It's all in the art of debating. This art, it's a dance of the mind, a test of wit, a showcase of intellect. It's a power that can change minds, influence decisions, and create lasting impacts. From the dinner table to the boardroom, effective debating skills are crucial. They're not just for politicians or lawyers, they're for everyone. Today, we delve into the debating style of a master wordsmith, Jordan Peterson. Jordan Peterson, a name synonymous with sharp intellect and persuasive arguments. Born in Canada, Peterson's journey took him from rural Alberta to becoming a renowned psychologist and professor at the University of Toronto. His academic work, focusing on personality and social psychology, has been influential. However, Peterson's true claim to fame is his prowess in public debates, where his articulate arguments and incisive mind have made him a figure of interest worldwide. Now that we know who Peterson is, let's examine his distinctive debating style. Peterson's first strategy: understand your opponent. Now, this is easier said than done. Peterson doesn't just listen to his opponent's arguments. He dives deep into their perspective, soaking in every detail like a sponge. This isn't about winning or losing. It's about gaining a comprehensive understanding of the other side. Peterson is known for his patience and attentiveness in debates. He listens, truly listens to what his opponent is saying. He doesn't interrupt, he doesn't make assumptions. He asks clarifying questions to ensure he's on the same page. He seeks to understand before being understood. Why does he do this? Because by understanding his opponent's viewpoint, he can accurately pinpoint where their beliefs diverge from his own. He identifies the crux of their argument, the heart of their belief system. This allows him to craft a rebuttal that is not just a counter-argument, but a thoughtful response that addresses the core issues at hand. By understanding his opponent, Peterson is able to craft a more effective rebuttal. Peterson's second strategy: be precise in your speech. Jordan Peterson is known for his meticulousness in choosing his words. His precision is a force to be reckoned with, making his arguments not only compelling but also difficult to dispute. Peterson opts for clear, concise language. He shies away from convoluted jargon that may confuse the listener. Instead, he focuses on delivering his messages with simplicity and clarity. His arguments are like well-crafted puzzles, each piece chosen with care and placed with intention. He understands that a well-articulated argument is like a finely tuned instrument. It sings a melody that resonates with the listener, making it hard to ignore. This strategy not only makes his arguments easy to understand, but it also makes them hard to refute. Peterson's approach to precision in speech is a lesson in itself. It shows us the power of words and the importance of choosing them wisely. Peterson's precision in speech leaves little room for misinterpretation. Peterson's third strategy: stay calm and collected. This is a key aspect of his debating style, and it's something that we can all learn from. Peterson never allows his emotions to take the driver's seat during a debate. Instead, he remains cool, collected, and composed, even in the face of disagreement or criticism. No matter how heated the debate gets, he never raises his voice or resorts to personal attacks. Peterson's calm demeanor allows him to stay focused on the topic at hand, to listen carefully to his opponent's arguments, and to respond with clarity and precision. His composure also helps him to maintain the respect of his audience, and it sets a tone of civility and intellectual rigor. Remember, a debate is not a shouting match. It's a forum for the exchange of ideas, and the most persuasive arguments are those that are delivered with calmness and clarity. Peterson's calm and collected demeanor lends credibility to his arguments. To debate like Peterson, 3 key steps need to be remembered. As we've traversed through the art of debate, we've unpacked the essence of debater extraordinaire, Jordan Peterson. We've seen that understanding your opponent isn't just about knowing their arguments, but about delving deeper into their perspective, their motivations, their fears. Simultaneously, we've learned that precision in speech is a non-negotiable. It's about choosing your words with intent, articulating your thoughts with clarity, and making sure your arguments are bulletproof. Finally, we've emphasized the importance of maintaining composure. Staying calm and collected doesn't just lend credibility to your arguments, It also helps you think clearly, respond effectively, and ultimately win over your audience. These aren't just steps, they're tools in your arsenal, sharpened and ready for any debate. They're the Peterson way. Master these steps, and you too can debate like Jordan Peterson.